Hi, I'm Adam from Garbly Tech, and in today's feedback video we will be learning about the keyboard and some important keys. In the center of the keyboard are the letter keys. When you press any of these letters, the corresponding letter will appear on your screen. Above the letters are the numbers, and like the letters, when you press any of these keys, the corresponding number will appear also. In the bottom center of the keyboard is the spacebar. When pressing this will put a space after the last letter or number on the screen. To the right of the letters is the Enter key. When pressed, it will either start a new line or confirm a selection. On the far right of the keyboard is the Caps Lock key, and when it is pressed, all letters will appear as capitals. If you make a mistake while typing, you can press the Backspace key, which is above the Enter key, and it will remove the last typed number or letter.